In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Ronin Wallet in Chrome browser. To get started, open your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where you can safely find and install browser extensions, so it's always the best option when you want to add a tool like Ronin Wallet to Chrome. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, look for the search bar and type in Ronin Wallet. After that, press Enter and wait for the search results to load. You should then see Ronin Wallet appear in the list of available extensions. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct extension before moving forward, since it's always important to install browser tools from the right source. When you find Ronin Wallet, click on it to open its extension page. This page gives you a quick overview of the extension and is also where you'll begin the installation. From there, click the Add to Chrome button. As soon as you do that, Chrome will show a small confirmation pop-up asking if you want to continue. In that pop-up, click Add Extension. This confirms that you want Chrome to install Ronin Wallet in your browser. After clicking it, the installation process will begin automatically. At this stage, the main thing to do is wait patiently for Chrome to finish adding the extension. It usually only takes a short moment, depending on your browser and internet speed. Once the installation is complete, Ronin Wallet will be added to your Chrome extensions. To check that it was installed successfully, look toward the extensions area in your browser. You can simply click the extensions icon, and there you should be able to see Ronin Wallet listed. If you want easier access later, you can keep it visible from that extensions area, so it's quicker to open whenever you need it. This is especially helpful if you plan to use the wallet regularly. And that's it. The process is very simple. Open the Chrome Web Store, search for Ronin Wallet, select it, click Add to Chrome, confirm by clicking. Add extension, wait for it to install, and then open it from your extensions menu. Follow those steps carefully, and you'll have Ronin Wallet installed in Chrome and ready to access.